Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You first confirm what kind of controller you have and power it up. This matters because the pairing method differs. Plug in a USB cable for wired mode or open Bluetooth settings for wireless controllers. Install or update drivers now so Windows recognizes the device. If a dongle is required, insert it before pairing. Once done, keep the controller close to the PC and ensure battery is charged to avoid interruptions while you complete the next steps. Now you pair and configure, open Bluetooth or connect the USB, and let the PC detect the controller. If using Steam, enable controller support in Big Picture. For DualShock, use DS4 Windows to emulate an Xbox pad. Install the Xbox Accessories app for firmware updates and calibration if applicable. Next, map buttons and set dead zones so sticks don't drift. Test vibration and input in a controller testing utility. Make sure profiles are saved, so settings persist across games. Finish by assigning profiles to specific games and adjusting sensitivity per title so controls feel consistent. Save your profile in Steam or the controller app. If the controller fails to connect, repair it, try a different USB port, or reinstall drivers. These quick fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, perform a firmware update or factory reset on the controller. One key troubleshooting tip: test the controller on another PC to isolate whether the issue is with the device or your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.